How's everybody doing? Everybody's been talking about humidors and stuff, so I thought I would show my humidor, my ammo can humidor. Nothing special, pretty simple. Got the wooden lining and stuff in it. Now this one, I keep all my pipe tobaccos and stuff in. Got my little cheap hygrometer. My little a humidifier, which I need to refill. But originally this came with cigars in it. So works great. Nothing special. I got 2 or 3 of these. They work. Also, I got I got the brass ready to send out to Jay. Make sure this thing's still working. Got it nice and polished up, ready. I did some that are in copper. Old 57 Chevy going down the road. Did some in brass. Try and get those in the mail here in a little bit, but yeah, this thing, it works pretty good. Stays, wow, this thing ain't gonna focus. No. Well, right now it's down to about 60, but my humidifier is dry, so I need to refill that. That's probably why it's down to about 60. I'm not really sure what they're supposed to stay at. I have no idea. I've heard around 70. But I guess that's it. Y'all have fun. I'm gonna go try and get this stuff in the mail to him. Stack some wood. Fun, fun, fun. And I'll talk to y'all later.